What if your building could shake, absorb the shock, and stand tall, every single time? Today, reinforced concrete buildings are getting a futuristic upgrade. With self-centering disc-slit dampers and conventional steel-slit dampers, these structures can absorb seismic energy. Kinda like shock absorbers for skyscrapers. The best part? Self-centering dampers help buildings return to their original position after shaking. Tests show they boost safety and cut down on costly repairs. Smarter, safer cities are just around the corner, thanks to a little innovation in civil engineering.